Hi, I'm Michelle.
And I'm McKenna. We're delighted to welcome you to Honor by Pure Locations. Let's go take a tour.
Honor's been one of our favourite properties at Pure Locations over the years because of its high-end finishes, large rooms and timeless style. From fashion, homewares, furniture and filming, Honor's an ideal location to capture every angle. Located in Mosman, it provides easy access to crews and so much more.
The owners of this home wanted to create a space that was high-end, yet not too formal for their family. With ceiling heights up to 3.5 meters, it is a spacious and light-filled environment. Yet with the rich tones and the brass finishes, it has this luxurious sense that's continued throughout the home, yet it's still very welcoming and charming. The kitchen here at Honor is one of the main features of the home. Designed to be like a bar incorporating marble, brass, and timber, it is a natural gathering point and is truly the heart of this home. Built in the early 1900s, the owners have done a beautiful job of restoring this home when many of the features had been demolished in the past. Bright white walls and beautiful heritage features, it's truly an incredible combination of eras gone and eras to come. Incorporating beautiful touches of modern elegance and European finishes, it is a space where crews can bring their vision to life. It's not overly styled, and the owners have done an incredible job of maintaining the character throughout this home. With its timeless style, beautiful Federation features, and a touch of European glamour, this is truly a shoot location unlike any other and perfect for any production.
For more information about Honor in Mosman, contact the team at Pure Locations. See you on the next house tour.